Congratulations to George Stolz and Roger Deas on their appointments as forum moderators for the National Electrical Code topic area. George Stolz, known as George Stolz in the forum, has been in the electrical trade for over 4 years, primarily in residential work. He has recently transitioned to commercial work to gain more experience. His long-term goal is to become an inspector and instructor, so he is actively working to improve his attention to detail and communication skills. Roger Deas, known as Roger on the forum, has been in the electrical trade since 1973. He has worked on various projects, including hospitals, healthcare facilities, residential and industrial work. He currently holds an unlimited contractor's license in North Carolina and is employed as a project manager. Both George and Roger are valuable members of the National Electrical Code topic area, and we appreciate their willingness to serve as forum moderators. Their knowledge and experience will be a great asset to the forum community. This appointment highlights the importance of community involvement in the electrical industry. Forum moderators play a crucial role in maintaining a helpful and informative online environment. They guide discussions, answer questions, and ensure that the forum remains a valuable resource for electrical professionals. The National Electrical Code, or NEC, is a comprehensive set of standards for electrical wiring and equipment in the United States. It is updated every 3 years to reflect the latest advancements in technology and safety practices. Staying up to date with the NEC is essential for all electrical professionals, as it helps to ensure the safety of people and property. Understanding the NEC involves grasping fundamental electrical concepts. These include voltage, current, resistance, and power. Voltage is the electrical potential difference between 2 points, measured in volts. Current is the flow of electrical charge, measured in amps. Resistance is the opposition to the flow of current, measured in ohms. Power is the rate at which electrical energy is transferred, measured in watts. Ohm's law describes the relationship between voltage, current, and resistance. Voltage equals current times resistance. This fundamental law is essential for understanding electrical circuits. Series circuits have components connected in a single path, so the current is the same through all components. The total resistance is the sum of the individual resistances. Parallel circuits have components connected in multiple paths, so the voltage is the same across all components. The total resistance is less than the smallest individual resistance. Electrical safety is paramount in all electrical work. Following safety precautions can prevent electrical shock, burns, and other injuries. Always energize circuits before working on them. Use insulated tools and equipment. Wear appropriate personal protective equipment, such as gloves and eye protection. Grounding provides a path for fault current to flow back to the source, tripping a circuit breaker or fuse and preventing electrical shock. Grounding systems must be properly installed and maintained to ensure safety. Circuit breakers and fuses are overcurrent protection devices that interrupt the flow of current when it exceeds a safe level. They protect electrical circuits from damage due to overloads and short circuits. Circuit breakers can be reset after tripping, while fuses must be replaced. The NEC provides specific requirements for conductor sizing based on the ampacity of the conductor and the anticipated load. Ampacity is the maximum current that a conductor can carry continuously without exceeding its temperature rating. Conductor sizing is crucial for preventing overheating and fire hazards. Raceways are enclosed channels that provide physical protection and routing for electrical conductors. Common types of raceways include conduit, tubing, and cable trays. Raceways must be properly sized and installed to meet the requirements of the NEC. Wiring methods refer to the types of cables and conductors used in electrical installations. Common wiring methods include non-metallic sheath cable, armored cable, and metal-clad cable. Each wiring method has specific applications and limitations. Boxes and enclosures are used to house electrical connections and protect them from the environment. They must be properly sized and installed to meet the requirements of the NEC. Lighting is an essential part of any electrical installation. The NEC provides requirements for lighting design and installation, including illumination levels, fixture types, and control systems. Motors are used in a wide variety of electrical applications. The NEC provides requirements for motor circuits, including overcurrent protection, motor controllers, and disconnecting means. Transformers are used to step up or step down voltage levels. The NEC provides requirements for transformer installations, including overcurrent protection, grounding, and ventilation. Generators are used to provide backup power in case of a power outage. The NEC provides requirements for generator installations, including transfer switches, overcurrent protection, and grounding. Special occupancies, such as healthcare facilities and hazardous locations, have additional requirements in the NEC. These requirements are designed to protect people and property in these unique environments. The NEC is organized into chapters, articles, and sections. Chapter 1 contains general requirements that apply to all electrical installations. Chapters 2 through 7 cover specific types of electrical systems and equipment. Chapter 8 covers communication systems. Chapter 9 contains tables and examples. Understanding the NEC requires careful study and attention to detail. It is important to consult the NEC frequently and to seek clarification when needed. Continuing education is essential for staying up to date with the latest changes to the NEC. Many organizations offer NEC training courses and certifications. Working with a qualified electrical contractor is essential for ensuring that electrical work is performed safely and in accordance with the NEC. Electrical inspections are conducted by qualified inspectors to verify that electrical installations meet the requirements of the NEC. Passing an electrical inspection is required before an electrical installation can be energized. The NEC is a living document that is constantly evolving. It is important to stay informed about the latest changes to the NEC in order to ensure that electrical work is performed safely and in compliance with the code. The NEC is a valuable resource for electrical professionals. It provides a comprehensive set of standards for electrical wiring and equipment that can help to ensure the safety of people and property. The NEC is not a substitute for experience and judgment. It is important to use good engineering practices and to consult with qualified professionals where necessary. The NEC is intended to be used by qualified individuals who have the necessary knowledge and experience to apply it properly. The NEC is not intended to be used by untrained individuals who may not understand the risks involved in electrical work. The NEC is a complex and technical document. It is important to take the time to study it carefully and to seek clarification when needed. The NEC is a valuable tool for electrical professionals. It can help to ensure that electrical work is performed safely and in compliance with the code. The NEC is a dynamic document that is constantly evolving. It is important to stay informed about the latest changes to the NEC in order to ensure that electrical work is performed safely and in compliance with the code. The NEC is a vital part of the electrical industry. It helps to protect people and property from the hazards of electricity. Congratulations again to George Stolz and Roger Deas for their commitment to the electrical industry and their willingness to serve as forum moderators. Their contributions will undoubtedly benefit the entire national electrical code community. This collaborative environment fosters continuous learning and improvement within the field. The electrical codes and standards are in place to minimize risk of electrical shock, fire hazards, and equipment damage. They represent best practices developed over many years through research, testing, and experience. Adherence to these standards is not simply a matter of compliance, it is a matter of safety and responsibility. The National Electrical Code is not a design manual. It provides minimum requirements for electrical installations. Design professionals may choose to exceed these requirements in order to improve the performance, reliability, or safety of an electrical system. The code is constantly being revised and updated to reflect changes in technology, materials, and installation practices. It is essential to stay current with the latest edition of the National Electrical Code in order to ensure compliance and safety. Forums dedicated to electrical codes, like the one George and Roger will be moderating, are valuable resources for electricians, engineers, inspectors, and other professionals. These forums provide a platform for discussing code interpretations, sharing best practices, and asking questions. Experienced moderators can help to ensure that discussions are productive and informative. Code questions often involve complex scenarios and require careful consideration of multiple factors. It is important to consult with qualified professionals and to review the relevant code sections before making any decisions. The ultimate goal of the National Electrical Code is to protect people and property from the hazards of electricity. By adhering to the code and seeking guidance from qualified professionals, we can help to ensure a safe and reliable electrical environment. The appointment of George and Roger as forum moderators underscores the importance of knowledge sharing and collaboration within the electrical industry. Their expertise and dedication will contribute to a more informed and safer electrical community. The electrical field is constantly evolving, with new technologies and installation methods emerging regularly. Continuous learning is essential for staying current with these changes and maintaining a high level of competence. Forums and online communities can play a significant role in facilitating this ongoing learning process. By engaging in discussions, sharing experiences, and asking questions, professionals can expand their knowledge and improve their skills. The National Electrical Code provides a framework for safe and reliable electrical installations, but it is not a substitute for sound engineering judgment. Professionals must exercise their expertise and consider the specific circumstances of each project when making design and installation decisions. The electrical industry relies on the expertise of a diverse range of professionals, including electricians, engineers, inspectors, contractors, and manufacturers. Collaboration and communication among these professionals are essential for ensuring the success of any electrical project. Forums and online communities can help to foster these relationships and promote a greater understanding of the various roles within the industry. The electrical code is a complex and ever-changing set of guidelines. The NEC is updated every 3 years. Code changes may be significant or minor, and it is essential to understand these changes to properly install and maintain electrical systems. The appointment of George and Roger as moderators for the NEC Forum shows the importance of code expertise in the electrical industry. Their involvement will ensure accurate and current code information. It is essential for electricians, contractors, and inspectors to have a solid understanding of the NEC. This knowledge ensures safety and compliance with regulations. The NEC establishes minimum safety requirements for electrical installations. It covers various aspects, including wiring methods, overcurrent protection, grounding, and equipment installation. Compliance with the NEC is mandatory for most jurisdictions in the United States. Local amendments to the NEC may exist, so it is essential to consult local authorities for specific requirements. Electrical safety is paramount, and the NEC provides the foundation for safe electrical practices. Properly installed electrical systems, in accordance with the NEC, minimize the risk of electrical shock, fire, and equipment failure. Continuing education is essential for electrical professionals. The electrical field is constantly evolving, and staying updated with the latest code changes, technologies, and best practices is crucial. Organizations such as the National Fire Protection Association, or NFPA, and the International Association of Electrical Inspectors, or IE, offer training and certification programs. Forums dedicated to the NEC offer a valuable platform for electrical professionals to exchange knowledge, ask questions, and discuss code interpretations. These forums foster collaboration and contribute to a more informed and safer electrical community. The NEC covers a wide range of electrical systems, including residential, commercial, industrial, and special occupancies. Each type of system has specific requirements and considerations. The NEC provides tables, examples, and diagrams to aid in understanding and applying the code. These resources are essential for electrical professionals in their daily work. The NEC is a living document, constantly evolving to address new technologies and emerging safety concerns. Code-making panels, composed of experts from various fields, review and update the NEC on a 3-year cycle. Input from the public is encouraged during the code development process. The NEC aims to provide a balance between safety and practicality. It establishes minimum safety requirements while also considering the economic impact of those requirements. The NEC is not intended to be a design manual. It provides minimum requirements for electrical installations but does not dictate specific design solutions. Electrical professionals must exercise their judgment and expertise to develop designs that meet the specific needs of each project. The NEC is a crucial resource for electrical professionals, promoting safety, compliance, and best practices. George's and Roger's moderation of the NEC Forum will enhance code knowledge,